sine rule and cosine rule. So look at the board. First example, in triangle ABC, if chord A, chord B, chord C are in AP, then show that A square, B square, C square are also in AP. Okay? So we know the arithmetic progression. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, therefore we get A plus C, which is equal to B. Therefore, and here you are given chord A, chord B, chord C are in AP. Therefore, we can write chord A plus chord C is equal to 2 chord B. Chord A can be written as cos A upon sin A plus cos C upon sin C is equal to 2 cos B upon sin B. Now using here for cos A cosine rule and sin A for sine rule. So cosine rule, cos A, which is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, and sine rule, sin A, which is equal to, that is A into K, plus A square plus B square minus C square, which is the value of cos C upon 2AB, and sin C, which is equal to CK, is equal to 2 into, again putting the value of cos B and sin B. Cos B, A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC upon AK. Now simplify this. So we get B square plus C square minus A square upon 2K ABC plus A square plus B square minus C square upon 2K ABC is equal to 2A square plus C square minus B square upon 2K ABC. So 2K ABC, which is a common cancel. Then we get B square plus C square minus A square plus A square minus B square minus C square upon 2. Here plus C square minus C square cancel. Minus A square plus A square cancel. Therefore we get 2B square B upon 2. And here 2 cancel. A square plus C square minus B square. Then 2b square upon 2. A is equal to A square plus C square minus B square. B square plus B square, which is equal to A square plus C square. 2b square is equal to A square plus C square. Therefore A square, B square, C square are in AP. This we have to prove. Next example, in triangle ABC, if small a cos A minus B cos B, then prove that the triangle is a right angle or an isosceles triangle. So friends, you are given a cos A minus B cos B equal to 0. Then prove that the triangle is a right angle or an isosceles triangle. So we know right angle triangle or an isosceles triangle. Right angle means angle will be, one angle will be right angle, and isosceles means two sides are equal. So here we have to prove that one angle is a right angle and two sides are equal. So we know the using the sine rule. In the sine rule, A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B, which is equal to K. So A, which is equal to K sin A, B, which is equal to K sin B. Now what we are given that A cos A minus B cos B equal to 0. So this can be written as A into cos A, which is equal to B cos B. Using sine rule, putting the value of A. So what is the value of A? K sin A. So small a is replaced by K sin A into cos A, K sin B into cos B. Here K cancel or multiply both side by 2. 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin B cos B. Therefore that is a sin 2A is equal to sin 2B, and this can be written as sin 2A minus sin 2B equal to 0. Cos sin C minus sin D. So what is the formula for sin C minus sin D? That 2 cos 2A plus 2B upon 2 sin 2A minus 2B upon 2 equal to 0. We know that sin C minus sin D, what that is a 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, and the value of C, that is a 2A, D, that is a 2B. Therefore this can be written as 2 cos 2a plus 2b upon 2 sin 2a minus 2b upon 2 equal to 0. Therefore 2 cos a plus b sin a minus b equal to 0. So the product of 3 which is equal to 0. Now here cos a plus b can be written as c, because we know the property of triangle, that is a plus b plus c which is equal to pi. Therefore a plus b which is equal to pi minus c. Therefore apply sign here, cos a plus b which is equal to cos c. Therefore here cos a plus b is replaced by cos c. Cos c equal to 0 or sin a minus b equal to 0. Cos c equal to 0 means the angle c which is equal to pi by 2 or a minus b equal to 0. Therefore c equal to pi by 2 or a equal to b. Triangle is a c equal to pi by 2 means triangle is a right angle, and a equal to b means that is an isosceles triangle. This we want to prove. Next example, in triangle ABC prove that a minus b square cos square c by 2 plus a plus b square sin square c by 2 is equal to c square. Solution. Consider LHS. A minus b square cos square c by 2 plus a plus b square sin square c by 2. Now we know the expansion of a minus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square cos square c by 2 as it is. Similarly here a plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square sin square c by 2. Now a square cos square c by 2 plus a square sin square c by 2. A square common, in the bracket we get cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Similarly for b square common, cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Again for middle term, minus 2ab common, therefore we get in the bracket cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Now we know the first identity, sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore using this, the value of this bracket will be 1. Similarly the value of bracket will be 1. Again this bracket, that is which is a formula for cos of c. Therefore a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, and which is equal to, which is the cosine rule. Therefore the value of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, which is equal to c square. Okay. Similarly next example, in triangle ABC prove that a sin a minus b sin b which is equal to c sin a minus b. Consider LHS. A sin a minus b sin b. The value of a using sin rule, k sin a minus, again the value of small b using sin rule, k sin b which is equal to sin b. Therefore k sin square a minus k sin square b. K common, in the bracket we get sin square a minus sin square b, and we know that a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Therefore using this sin a plus b sin a minus b. K as it is, sin a plus b, use here sin c plus d and here sin c minus d. Therefore k as it is 2 into sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Sin a minus b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Now collect the term, collect the angle of these terms, that is a plus b by 2. Therefore k as it is 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2. 2 sin a minus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Therefore now the formula for this, that is the sin a by 2 into cos a by 2, that is the sin a. Therefore 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2 can be written as k sin a plus b sin a minus b. K into a plus b, that is sin pi minus c. We know the again property of triangle a plus b plus c which is equal to pi. Therefore a plus b, that is a pi minus c, sin pi minus c into sin a minus b, sin pi minus c which is equal to sin c. So k sin c sin A minus B. K sin C, again use here sin rule. Therefore, K sin C which is equal to C into sin A minus B. Half angle formula. In triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C is equal to 2S, then sin A by 2 is equal to under root S minus B, S minus C upon BC. Sin B by 2 which is equal to under root S minus A, S minus C upon AC. Sin C by 2 equal to under root sin A S minus A, S minus B upon AB. Now, how will you keep this formula in your mind? So see here, sin here angle, अभी ये देखो ये sin A by 2 है ना, तो A को हम यहाँ पे स्किप करेंगे, S माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी अपॉन बी सी, है ना. A को छोड़ के B एंड C लेंगे, S माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी, और डिनोमिनेटर में भी क्या है, बी सी. अभी यहाँ पे B एंगल है तो B को स्किप करके A एंड C, और ये यहाँ पे नीचे भी AC. सिमिलरली C पे अभी यहाँ पे देखो, C को यहाँ पे इसी को स्किप किया है, एस माइनस बी अपॉन ए बी. ऐसे उसको आपको रिमाइंड करेंगे आप, है ना. एक ए है, अगर एंगल ए है तो बी एंड सी साइन में सिर्फ, बी है तो ए एंड सी को, सी है तो ए एंड बी, सी को स्किप करेंगे. अभी सिमिलरली कॉस में उसका अपोजिट है, कॉस ए बाय 2 में देखो अंडर रूट एस इंटू एस माइनस ए अपॉन बी सी, है ना. अभी यहाँ पे साइन में हमने ए को स्किप किया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे कॉस में देखो एस इंटू एस माइनस ए अपॉन बी सी, है ना. तो कॉस बी बाय 2 क्या आएगा, एस इंटू एस माइनस बी अपॉन ए सी. सी बाय 2 क्या आएगा, एस इंटू एस माइनस सी अपॉन ए बी, है ना. नाउ tan a by 2, व्हाट इज tan a by 2? अभी इनका रेशो साइन एंड कॉस का, साइन ए अपॉन 2 कॉस ए अपॉन 2. देखो, so tan a by 2 अंडर रूट एस माइनस बी अपॉन एस इंटू एस माइनस ए. tan b by 2 एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस सी अपॉन एस इंटू एस माइनस बी. tan c by 2 एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस इंटू एस माइनस सी. नाउ hero's formula, area of I think that you have already studied this. Area of triangle ABC which is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can find area of triangle by using this 1 by 2 AB sin C is equal to 1 by 2 AC sin B is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin A. Now look at the example. In triangle ABC, if small a is equal to 80, b is equal to 24, c is equal to 30, then here we are given the sides of triangle. A is equal to 18, b is equal to 24, c is equal to 30. Then find the values of cos a, sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2, area of triangle ABC and sin a. Okay. So first cos a. A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24, C is equal to 30. First find the value of S, because for half angle we need the value of S. So S which is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, so which is equal to 36. A which is equal to 18 plus 24 plus 30 by 2, which is 72 by 2, which is equal to 36. Cos A which is equal to, we know here use the cosine rule, cos A b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. The value of b 24, c 30, a 18 square. 24 square 576, 30 square 900, minus 3 24, and here 1440. So which is equal to 1152 upon 1440. After simplifying we get 4 upon 5 divided by 18 or 36. So after simplifying we get 4 upon 5. Sin A by 2, we know the formula for sin A by 2, S minus B, S minus C upon BC. The value of S, that is a 36, b which is equal to 24, c that is a 30, 24 upon 30. So 12 into 6, 24 by 30. Here 6 divided, that is 24, 6 4s are 24, then 4 3s are 12 and 3 10s are 13, therefore 1 upon root 10. Similarly, the value of cos a by 2. Yes, what is the formula for cos a by 2? Under root s into s minus a upon bc, which is equal to under root 36 minus 18, 24 into 30, which is equal to under root 36 into 18, 24 into 30. Again here divide by 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30. Here divided by 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Therefore 4 into 5, that is a 20, and here 6 into 3 18, 18 upon 20, therefore 3 upon under root 10. Now tan a by 2, under root s minus b, s minus c, s into s minus a. Put the value of a, b, c. Therefore we get 36 minus 24, 36 minus 30, 36 into 36 minus 18, under root 12 into 6, 36 into 18. So 6 is 36 divided by 3, or 6 again, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are. So after simplifying we get 1 upon 3. Now area of triangle ABC, which is equal to s into, hero's formula use here, s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Put the value of s, 36, 36 minus 18, 36 minus 24, 36 minus 30. 36 into 18 into 18, here 12, here 6. Okay. So 6 into 6 into, which is equal to 260, 260 square unit. Area of unit will be square units. Now sin a, which is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. We know the value of sin a by 2. We have already find 1 upon root 10. Cos a by 2, 3 upon root 10. Putting, we get 6 upon 10. After simplifying, 3 by 5.